Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense, is a verb tense used to describe an action that is currently in progress or ongoing in the present. The present continuous tense is formed using the present tense of the verb to be, am, is, are, followed by the present participle, the ing form, of the main verb. The structure of the present continuous tense is subject plus to be, am/is/are, plus present participle, ing. For example, 1. I am watching TV. 2. He is playing basketball. 3. They are studying for their exams. The present continuous tense can be used to describe actions that are happening at the moment of speaking or actions that are happening now, but not necessarily at the moment of speaking. It can also be used to describe actions that are temporary or ongoing, as well as to describe future arrangements. Examples. 1. I'm currently typing a response to your question. 2. She's taking a shower right now. 3. We are learning Spanish this semester. 4. They are going to a concert next week. Note that the present continuous tense can also be used in negative and interrogative sentences, as well as with contractions. Negative. 1. I am not watching TV. 2. He is not playing basketball. 3. They are not studying for their exams. Interrogative. 1. Am I watching TV? 2. Is he playing basketball? 3. Are they studying for their exams? With contractions. 1. I'm watching TV. 2. He's playing basketball. 3. They're studying for their exams. Thanks for watching.